Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be showing you guys is how you can change your mobile phone number on the Amazon Shopping app, both for mobile and on the PC. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm using the web browser version on my PC currently. However, the process is pretty much the same for mobile users as well. You will just need to access the menu in a different way, such as clicking the three horizontal bars, and you will have access to the pretty much same menu as PC users. Now, if you are on PC like I am, just follow my steps and everything will be clear to you when I explain it. Once you are logged into your account, as you can see, I am logged in. What you want to do is hover over your account and lists button, and you can just click account. You can do that, or you can just click on the account and lists button and you'll be taken to your account page. Now, this page is pretty much your control panel for your account, and here you can make all the changes that you wish. You can view your profiles, your addresses, track your orders, etc., etc. But to change your phone number, you need to go into login and security. Once you're here, you will be required to enter your password again. I've already done this, so it doesn't require me to do so. However, once you're here, as you can see, you have all your login and security options listed out, one of which is the primary phone number. If you already have a phone number added, you will be able to click add. You might be able to add a secondary phone number. However, if you already have a number, you will just click edit and you can change your phone number like that. If you don't have your phone number listed, you can just click on add. And once you click on add, you will just be able to enter your phone number, select your country code, and enter your number, and just click continue and confirm your phone number. I think you might get an SMS message which will require you to enter a code. Might not, I'm not sure. However, that is pretty much it for that entire process. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.